Did you know that the more when we grow older, we become our souls gravitate towards the person that we were in our first 7 years. That's like a psychological fact. So lokho kuchaza ukuthi okay ngizoyiphinda ngesiZulu ke. Uyazi ukuthi uma sikhula sisiba ngabantu abadala, umoya wethu ulangazelela ukuba yilabo bantu besiyibona ngenkathi sina zero or sizalwa kuze kuyofika iminyaka eyisikhombisa. Angithi like yeah. So lokho kuchaza ukuthi okwenzakala emntwaneni like kuleyo minyaka leyo kuyinto ebaluleke kakhulu ngoba yinto ezokhumbulwa kakhulu kuloyo mntwana impilo zabo ezokugcina like yeah. Impilo yethu iphila in a cycle but also in reverse. So but my point today yokukhuluma ngale bathi the first 7 years. So nawe kumele uyibheke ukuthi what are you facing in your life or what are you fighting in your life. Whatever you're facing as an adult will point you out to where your soul is trying to lead you to. So this means mostly even as you grow older, the way you dress, it takes you to the person that you were. Like if you used to watch your mom put on lipstick, hit those high heels, and you'll be like, oh my God, look at mom. Mom is a superhero. And then as you grow older, you want to be that woman, you see. You want to be that boss lady that you saw your mother be. Or if you're raised by your granny, you also want to gravitate towards that calmness, that love that you were feeling when you were being raised by your granny. And if you have wounds that you have to heal as you grow older, the maybe there was abuse as a child was growing up. In those first 7 years, the father or the mother, there was beating each other. Lana ngaphakathi bekuliwana endlini, bekungena kuthula endlini, or bekungena kudla endlini. Uzobona ukuthi yizinto okumele uziphilise lezo empilweni yakho. Eyakho impilo ayisoke ifane naloyo muntu okhule ebona uma wakhe boss lady, super boss lady. No, so that's how our lives are so different even as we grow up, as we are growing up. That's why it's not advisable to envy other people because you don't even know the story. Yokuthi lo muntu ukhule kanjani, what is their upbringing. Even as a person is changing, so many things are happening which are different from omunye nomunye. Nami ngihlukene sonke sihlukene nje. So iminyaka yokuqala yengane ibaluleke kakhulu. Ikhona impilo echaza ukuba ingane kwamele ihambe kanjani empilweni, yabo. That's why you have to give that guidance. Yabona babhekile mostly ingane azenzi into esizitshela zona. ukuthi yenza kanje, babhekile. So ma bebhekile, they are becoming lokho abakubhekile. So that's why kwamele sinake kahle, sibhekisise kahle ukuba sikhulisa kanjani iy'ngane zethu eminyakeni leyana from 0 to 7 ibaluleke kakhulu. Ibucayi yiyo impilo yomntwana-ke leya. So okuchaza ukuthi singabayekeleli iy'ngane zethu, singaba-ignore, yabo, like yikho la okuphuma khona ama-mother wound, father wound, absence of father. Yiyo lento i-psychology ezama ukuyixazulula, yabona. So kuchaza ukuthi kube inkinga zonke lezi, kube iy'ngane zethu sizibheka kahle ngendlela okumele sizibheke ngakhona uma zikhula. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi kube iy'ngane zethu azizidingi i-psychologist. Namanje I honor you psychologist, nami ngi-study yona le psychology, because nami ngizama ukusiza le nkinga le esibhekane nayo yokuthi sokumoshekile, izinto azisahambanga kahle. Bathini umngani wami benginomngane esikolweni ubekathi sibhala i-exam. So she didn't do the language isiNdebele. Angithi ngisho ukuthi here I speak the Nguni languages, angithi. So Zulu, isiNdebele, Xhosa, which other Nguni language is there? Ezingeni Siswati, yeah. So labo bantu bayangizwa uma ngikhuluma, so ulimi lwami luhlangene nje, angithi. So lo sisi sihleli sibhala i-exam, and then i-exam ithi achithekile, chaza ukuthi kushoni. Achithekile kuchoni. And then so she said achitekere kuchoni. She's asking me after the exam, she saw a question that said achitekere kuchoni. But anyway, yeah, that's the beauty of languages. Oh gosh, okay. So that's the beauty of languages. But back to the point, achithekile angithi. So ingane eziningi ezinathi sesikhulile, and isimo asisikhulisanga ngendlela obekumele sikhule ngakhona. So asechithekile yikho sesikhona isidingo sama-psychologist. Angazi ukuthi yini psychologist ngesiZulu. Oh, maybe abakhansela-ke, ama-counselors, abantu ababona ngekuthi umuntu ucabanga kanjani, simsize kanjani. Yeah, maybe, yabona, yikho abantu abaningi, like abantu bansundu abakholelwa ukuthi kunezinto abathi yi-depression. Bayakuhleka nje ukuthi umuntu ukhala ukuthi uthi une-depression. Okay-ke sizoyichaza-ke lapho-ke. I-depression iyo le engane ekhule ingenazo izinto bekumele ibe nazo empilweni, ezifana nomama, ezifana nobaba, ezifana nokudla, ezifana nekhaya lokuhlala, lokulala, angithi. So leyo ngane leyo izothi seyikhulile izoqala ukuxakwa yilezo ngxaki ebeyizibona ngey'nkathi ina 0 to 7 years lapho. So seyingena-ke kuleso simo sokudideka umqondo ukuba kwenzakalani empilweni yami, yini izinto zingahambi, yabona. So abelungu sebeyibize lento bathi yi-depression. So angithi siyachaza-ke manje ukuthi yiyo leyo i-depression, angithi. So ningahleki abantu uma bathi basafara nge-depression, ngoba bazama ukutshela ukuthi baxakeke ngendlela impilo yabo eyisimo sakhona, ngoba abazi ukuthi baqhubekele phambili kanjani, yabona. So yikho-ke sizoba khona isidingo sama-psychologist, yeah, angithi. So uma unengane manje ina 0 to 7 years, uyiphathe kahle, uzame ukuthi uyondle ngendlela nawe ozoziqhenya ngakhona ukuthi ukhulise kahle ingane yakho, wayipha yonke into ebekumele idinge ukuze ibe yilowo muntu okumele ibe yiwona empilweni, angithi. And then okunye futhi engikudiscoverile about le stage ne, before vele ingane ifika usazithwele, pregnant laphayana ne, usakhulelwe, angithi, ukuthi umithi igama elingani liphuma endleleni. But okay, mawusamithi ke ngoba bathi yazini, it's like it's referred to, angazi ningicorrect lapho kuma comments ukuthi ukhona yini umahluko ukuthi umuntu umithi yikudelela yini, ubonisa ukudelela mawuthi umuntu umithi. Okay, umuntu mawukhulelwe, ngesikhathi mawukhulelwe upregnant, uzithwele, ingane iyakutshela ukuba kwamele uyiphathe kanjani. So thina sivele sithi nginama craving, bengingenama craving, bengifuna bengingathanda ubani, bengiyenza okay, bengithanda ubani. Ingane, that's the ngane khulumaring through you. Your child is speaking through you at that time, ne, telling you how they are supposed to be treated when they arrive, angithi, in the world. So you have to keep a journal. So that you know what is the child telling you, and then you raise the child the right way. Is it? Angithi. So that's where you start to shape that child in the first 7 years. With the information that you were receiving while you were pregnant, you start to raise that child in that phrase. Those that are following English, I know I've said a lot in isiZulu. I hope everybody can understand me, and language is not a barrier at this moment. I hope that you have the ability to perceive my soul as I'm speaking, that even if you do not speak isiZulu, you can understand what I'm saying sometimes. All right. So we have set the intention, let it be so. So now uma pregnant, uma ikhulelwe, ingane izokutshela ukuthi kumele uyiphathe kanjani. So yikho kubalulekile ukuba ugcine bathi yini le, i-journal, angazi ukuthi uzothi yini ngesiZulu, incwadi. Kumele uthole incwadi ne-pen nosiba ukuba ubhale ukuthi ithini lengane, ithi ayifuni inyama, okay, ingane ayifuni inyama. Ithi ifuna umhlabathi, okay, ingane ithanda umhlabathi. So izokuchazela, maybe lento le uzoyibona ingane mayikhula izobe ithanda ukudlalela emhlabathini, or ithanda ukwenza bathini le, ukuhlanyela, or something to do with gardening, uhlala busy in the garden. And then uzokhumbula ukuba ngale nkathi mangikhulele vele bengithanda umhlabathi. And then now usozothatha ke lengane le uyinikeze ama-opportunities avele ehlanganele nomhlabathi, ukuthi ama-opportunities ayo avame kuleyo ndlela, ngithi. So the child is now in the agricultural sector, angithi. And then uma ingane ibeyithanda i-music, like uyabona ma udlala i-music uzoyizwa lengane la ithi du 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 du, yabona laphana lonyawo lalo Uyayibona ukuthi hawu batho uma ngikhulelwe la ingane le ngathi iyajabula uma ngidlala i-music. And then uma ikhula le ngane uzoyibona naye ukuthi oh ingane ithanda ukucula, ingane ithanda ukujayiva. And then uyabona nawe ukuthi yazi ngizikhulisela umajayivana lana, I'm just raising an artist lana. And then you start putting opportunities that align to leyo ngane. Manje nina abazali, okay, ithi ngithi thina senginijikela ngoba sezizinje. So yes, I'm speaking lana as I'm channeling, ngiyatshela ukuthi sizifundise njengabomama. Even nami ngingakabi ngumama ngiyalungiselelwa ukuba ngizoba ngumama, and yiyo le ndlela nami kumele ngiziphathe ngakhona uma sengingumama nami. So mina ngilitshela engikuzwayo abathi nginitshele khona. Yikho le channel le ngifuna ukuthi ibe ngiyakithi, ibe ngeyolimi lokuthi uma ufana nami, uma ubheka mina ubone wena, ubone whether ubone ngathi my sister yazi and yazwa, it's because ubona mina kuwe. Even uzibona ukuthi uzenza ubani kathi, it's that jealousy is because ubona mina kuwe. It just means ukuthi you are not receiving it kahle, that admiration. We are supposed to inspire each other and make each other want to be one. That's why I'm always saying ukuthi we are one, we are a mirror, I'm your mirror. I'll keep on explaining lingatholakala ithiba ukuthi sonke size understand ukuthi ngichaza ukuthini mangithi we are all mirrors of one another. So even if you feel like you are jealous of me, like ngizenza ubani, it's because I'm triggering a part of you that somehow you wish you could be like that. And the truth is you can be like that. You just have to go within, as I'm always saying. That's when you will find your own treasures. Okay, so that's the other part of healing for abantwana abakhule bengenazo lezi zinto lezi. Let's say your first 0 to 7 years you had no one, ne, uma ubengekho, ubaba ubengekho, and bekungena kudla, bekungena lokhu, kunezinto, so nama father wound, so lama mother wound. So kumele uzihlolisise ukuthi kathi manje ngingubani. Indlela yokuthi uzithole ma usukuleso sima yokuthi ungene ngaphakathi kwakho and uthole ukuphiliswa. Yiyo le ndaba yokuphiliswa engihlala ngikhuluma ngayo uma ngikhuluma sonke isikhathi ngokuthi kwamele siphiliswe. So izoyivala ke lapha ke indaba yethu. I think sengikhulume isikhathi eside. So yiyo le indoni yamanzi, also known as the African fairy. So ngithemba liphilile emakhaya, and nikhumbule ukuba ingane zethu ngamaqhawe ethu akusasa, angithi. So ingane zethu not amasosha, but the warriors, the future leaders, ngabakhokheli bakusasa. So liphathe kahle labo abakhokheli bakusasa. So ngoba ikusasa lethu lisezandleni zabo, angithi ngiyenethanda. So I'm just noticing that I totally got sidetracked when I was now apologizing for throwing it to you guys, now that I'm talking about the things that we should avoid as future mothers, as mothers. Yes. So I was saying, oh my word, let's let it pass. Let's give it its moment. Wow. Okay, cool. So, sorry about that. That was a helicopter flying very close. So, I was thinking that maybe you guys will not be able to hear me with the sounds helicoptering over. Yo, le helicopter ngathi izowela phansi nje. Nomsindo lo wenzayo. But anyway, okay, it's coming back. Oh my word. It keeps going back and forth. Okay, let's just proceed regardless of the helicopter noise. So I was saying ukuthi so umntwana uzokuchazela ukuba so bekudlula ihelicopter lana, so bengithi ngime kancane umsindo udlule ukuze ngikhona ukuqhubekela ngaphambili. So manje sengiyaqhubeka ke, bengithi ingane izokuchazela uma usakhulelwe, uma usa pregnant, izokuchazela ingane ukuba ifuna igcine kanjani. All right. And then bengithi, so because of lokho ingane iza nama instructions ayo, thina we are simply guardians lana emhlabeni, to make sure that they just receive what they need, but these kids, they belong to the Creator. They belong to wherever you also come from. They don't belong to us, right? So we have to really do our best to equip these small people to exactly who God wants them to be in the future. Angithi. So bengithi, so uma ingane uzothi ukhulelwe uzukuthi iyajiva lana, and then it's an artist, and ma ikhula iyakubonisa idlala nama thathi iroloni yakho izojika ibe yi-mic or i-blower yakho izogcina iyenza bathini le ama-wind blowing through the hair, ukuba umuntu uyabona ukuthi how usekayi-influencer ke manje. You can see ukuba lana I'm raising an artist. Mara us as parents sometimes, not all parents, some parents, some of us so we don't want to accept that's the gift that the child came with, because we have our own expectations, and also so our own expectations, now we start projecting them to these kids that we are raising, right? Maybe you wanted to be an engineer, and now you want the child to also follow through as an engineer. I think a child comes with their gifts already embedded in them. Our role is to just nurture those gifts. Sibona ukuba sibanikeza lo lwazi abaludingayo ngaleso sikhathi abaludinga ngakhona, ukuba bakhona ukufeza lawo maphupho abaze benawo. Bazalwa benema-template laba bantu, ukuthi yikho ngichazile ukuthi uzokuchazela yena ma usakhulelwe ukuthi kumele aphathwe kanjani. So uma uthenge incwadi nepeni uzobhala ukuthi first trimester ithini ingane, second trimester ithini ingane. Angazi ukuthi mangaka ama-trimester so since sengiserious kangaka engathi ngiyazi ukuba ngikhuluma ngani. No. So yeah ubhale phansi, and then lokho kuzokunikeza i-idea ukuthi wazi ukuba uguide kanjani le ngane le, angithi. So yes, bengithi singafaki, don't enforce your dreams that did not come into life to a child, ne? And then if it's a company, allow the child to flourish in their own gift in the company. You don't have to let the child be the mechanic or be the but if they maybe the shop is a carpentry shop, the child can be doesn't have to be doing shavings or peeling out shavings, and using the sculptures and all that. Maybe the child is the accountant of the company. Maybe the child is the advertising something of the company, you see. So if it's a company, don't let the child bend the child to the one skill that you want the child to embody. Okay, so yeah, if it's a company that deals with cars and whatever, don't let the child could be the mechanic, or the child could be the race car driver. The child could be the creative designer of the new models of the vehicle. So we should be flexible when we are raising our children. All right, so that's just something that I noticed that I slipped and I got distracted somewhere. So again, lots of love. African Fairy, Indonia Manzi. Thank you.